Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this JBL TuneFlex Bluetooth earbuds. So in this video I am going to show you how to do factory reset for these earbuds. Without wasting any time, let me start this. So I have to take this earbud out. You can see, just we have to take this out. This is already in pairing mode. You can see blue light is blinking in both earbuds. Just we have to tap 2 times and third time we have to press and hold it so that the earbuds will turn off. So let me do that. 1, 2, 3. You can see that blue light will turn off. So you can see the blue lights has turned off. So that means the factory reset has been done. Put the earbuds inside the case and close it. So that's it. If you open, the factory reset has been done. So it will enter in pairing mode. That's it. You can just connect it to your smart device. So factory reset has been done. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye.